Yes, that's also a fallacy.
He bites.
Yeah, let's take a look at my arms. They're all bent up and scratched. I can verify that he does bite.
What's his name?
Barney.
Barney. Hey, Barney.
There he is. Hey, Barney.
He was around Boots earlier.
How old is he?
He's 3 months. And like Barney just has
Come here, Barney.
head, and
Come here,
Boots was not a fan of that. He was like,
Hey.
What's a new smell?
no kidding, but really don't want to see it.
Yeah, check it out. Check it out.
Come here. Alright. He's like, oh, at least I can eat it.
Yeah.
Hey, you. Hey. Who is it?
Hey, what do you think about the Lakers?
Yeah.
The Easter Barney. I think it's hilarious.
Hold it up, Kel. Let me see.
The Easter Barney.
Put it on.
I don't want it to be like destroyed. He's gonna be mad in like a second.
Oh, yeah, he's going to
like
let
it?
you put
I
it
don't have
on.
anything like this.
No?
Hey, come here. Come here, Barney.
I didn't buy extra large. It looked huge.
No, this will be fine.
Yeah, yeah, he's really going to let you do that.
All right. Here, let me tie it on.
There you go. There you go. Yeah, it's like, I don't like that.
I think this is your.
Yeah, that's a combination basket.
Cool.
There he goes. He's over there somewhere.
Do you have those?
Barney, come here.
You don't have those. Those are the Fiesta.
Come here. We need more red towels.
Those are placemats.
Oh, are they? I thought they were towels.
Yeah, no.
I don't know too much about it.
Okay.
No, we don't have any place.
Okay.
We don't though. Yeah. Oh, a game?
What do you got? What do you got there, big guy? Huh? Good luck.
Ooh, look what you got a squeaky toy. You like that thing? You want it off, huh?
Nice.
Come here, I'll help you. I'll help you. Come here.
Thank you.
I'll help you. There you go. Here.
This game looks really fun.
I know. That's
Have you ever played it?
Kate did, I think.
Look what you got. Wow, big boy.
Long winter, ain't it?
Yeah.
Phone's as big as him.
Yeah.
There's treats too.
Oh my goodness.
Burgers.
If I won $1 million, I could put my
The
job.
grass is going to be nice and green in the spring.
Yeah, maybe.
Aww,
Had enough water.
that's cute.
How about the Portman commissioners lay off all those street department guys? Then they had to hire outside
The
contractors.
bracelet. On the back it says.
And then they laid off the
No, that's you
three
can't use that. Isn't that
mechanics.
cute?
Yeah.
That'll hurt you. He's like so
And they
interested. He's
had to
like,
take
yeah,
themselves police cars to
And it's from an old warehouse.
Every
It's from
school
the
district around, I
1950s.
think, is broke.
that was really cool.
Yeah.
It's the guardian angel.
Hey, Mom, will you cut the
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No. Make it over to give me a hug.
Here, what?
Oh, did you get it?
The Easter Barney. That's so hilarious.
Oh.
That idea was thought of.
Give me that. Give me that.
Snap, Target, that's our favorite place. We go to Target like twice a week for nothing. We just go. You get married, then you don't have a life. So you go to Target. Easter Barney is funnier, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelly. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks.
Okay, blow them out.
Catch my hair on fire.
Yay.
I've never seen candles like that. Look like spaghetti.
New designer candles.
It's a little bone.
I know. Oh, gracious. They're smoky ones too. Oh, gracious. Thanks. Where's your... I don't know. you didn't sign the card.
Yeah, you didn't sign it.
I was like, I don't know, maybe I'll
I'm looking at it. You're sitting there going, nice card. You want to reuse it?
Yeah, you can reuse it.
I mean, it's the only daughter-in-law and you're gonna have.
I'll sign it.
I was like, I don't say anything. And I thought you, because I heard you laugh, and I was like, okay, I think she caught it, so I'm just gonna have to say, like, hey, this was
You won.
Sorry.
That's okay.
I'll sign it.
Oh wow. Oh goodness. Look how pretty.
Now,
Oh, there must be a story.
there is a story. Oh, I love
There's a
now.
book to go with it.
These pop out.
Oh.
Okay.
You put different ones in.
Barney.
I guess this one probably wouldn't have made sense.
I have the book that goes with it. They're called Chameleons. Is that what they're called?
I like oval. I like oval bracelets. I can't go around. That's cute.
It's different from the, I don't know, we looked at that Pandora stuff.
Oh wow, that one's really pretty.
That was my favorite, but I like this one too, so I thought.
How do you pop it out?
There isn't?
Hey, Barney.
Is she on the bottom of it? I don't know. She did it for me. She's in the bottom.
watch it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, I have to call her. These just, see,
Oh, just like that. Yeah.
like that. But they had a blue thing, I don't know why she didn't give me it. And then it pops.
How do you, yeah, it snaps in, so
Yeah.
you, okay. Check them.
Don't you?
Yeah.
Now, where were you, Marco Island?
Sanibel.
Oh, Sanibel
Sanibel.
Island, that's right.
Aw,
Barney.
thanks, Kate.
She
Signed card.
Yeah, nice.
Did you take the dolphin?
No.
Oh, how cool.
Dolphin too.
What?
Oh, those are cute.
Earrings?
I like those.
Is he down there?
I don't know, where is
Yeah.
he? Oh, okay. Where did he go?
Come here.
Oh, this birthday fun.
He's cleaning his vacuum.
Yeah, yeah.
There's just a bunch of samples in that she
Oh, yay, because I'm almost out.
That's the sorbet.
It's like the lotion.
Oh,
Not the
okay.
body
It's
butter.
lighter.
Hi.
I'm kind of struggling here. And samples. I love this bag, too, actually.
Okay.
Hello, Barney. Thanks, Kate.
Hey, baby, who's coming? Who is this?
Be gentle.
Who is that? Who is that?
Hey, that's my shirt.
What is that? Huh? Yeah. No, 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 down. No. Don't jump.
Smell his butt.
Who is that?
Turn this way, Katie. That was a good one. It was kissing.
Baby's
No, don't jump.
She's biting him.
Babies?
Barney's afraid.
Okay, Peter?
Who is that?
Good, babe.
Who is that, baby? Huh?
Oh, Barn, you're fine.
Yeah, she ate them earlier, which she wouldn't eat them now.
Baby, be gentle. What's it smell like?
Good girl.
Alright, come.
Get her, Barn.
You.
Go get her.
Barn.
Get her. Go get her.
He's like,
think you think you're
I
fine.
know, you think so.
Here I come.
You've got a good bark.
I'm gonna get you.
Get her,
Oh, no.
go get her, go get her, get her, get her,
He's like, he looks at the camera, he's like, okay.
go get her.
Like, I got this one.
Are you allowed to have a dog in your apartment?
Yeah. She's doing her internship. She's gonna be a pharmacist.
This is boring, Dad. This is
Oh, I
boring.
don't know.
Come on. Get that belly, get that belly, get that belly, get that belly. Ah, gotcha. Yeah. Yeah.
He's like, I got the shirt now, you're done. You're done, pal.
He's really wiggling. Whoa.
Did he bite you?
Pretty close.
No!
He's going after the camera. He's like, I know what's causing all my problems right now. Camera. Until this camera comes out.
Get that butt. Get that butt.
Barney. Ow. Ow. Booger.
Oh, give me my shirt.
She wants to see
Yeah, I
the
sure.
way he
Give
is
me
put
my
on
shirt.
her. She
Give me my
doesn't
shirt.
want to help.
Yeah, right. Let go of my shirt. Get that butt.
No, not me.
Just push the button. Not my foot. No. I'll turn you into a pit bull.
When you're done with those slippers, you gotta send them home with them.
He sounds like so ferocious. Like, and the whole time his tail's just wagging.
Oh, you got the
It's not
heel.
like
Hey.
those slippers.